Peter will explain to you.
Okay.
So this is a little hooded warbler. This is a local nester.
These pliers have a post on it that I can take the band off, and then you can see the number on there. But on a 0 band, it's going to be 13705.
That's correct.
Okay. So this is a non-breeding bird. Female hooded warblers, when they're breeding, are just like a chicken. They drop their breast feathers and they have brood patches just like a chicken does. Okay. They also collect fat in the follicular hollow, underneath the sternum, and under the wing pits. And this bird has just a very little bit. 0.7 grams. Take her out. And let her go.